This animal sees the world we can't even imagine.
Mantis shrimp eyes detect 16 types of color. Humans only see 3.
Their eyes can detect polarized light and ultraviolet patterns invisible to us.
Human cameras struggle to see light and detail as nature already does.
Scientists copied mantis shrimp eyes to create cameras with ultra-fast detection, polarization sensing, and improved color range.
These super cameras will improve satellites, underwater exploration, and medical imaging.
Nature perfected vision millions of years before we could. This is how biology inspires the next generation of machines.
Follow to see what nature teaches engineers next.